solo parent and hardworking mom. Foreign men dating in the Philippines, Filipinas navigating age gap dynamics, and viewers curious about cross-cultural relationships. This episode is for you. Let me clear something up right now. Foreigners are not a prize in the Philippines. They are a novelty, a curiosity, a temporary fascination. And if you are a foreigner believing you are the grand reward in an age gap relationship with a Filipina, you may already be losing. Let that sit. This video is not hate, it's not bitterness. It's reality, especially in age gap dating culture. What novelty and prize really means. Prize is something earned, respected, protected. Novelty is something interesting for now. Foreigners stand out visually, financially, and culturally. Attention is admiration, curiosity equals commitment, and novelty excites the room. But it's the locals who understand the rules of the game. Age gap relationships amplify this effect. Social media visibility, community perception, peer judgment among Filipinas, survival versus romance motivation without accusation. This isn't about Filipinas being bad. This is about human behavior in unequal environments. Did social media create the illusion? TikTok, Facebook, foreigner boyfriend flexing, likes don't equal loyalty. Online validation versus private reality. Online, the foreigner is a trophy. Offline, he is often a resource or a stepping stone. Why older foreign men misread signals? Confusing politeness with desire, mistaking gratitude for love, assuming age equals authority, believing money creates leverage. Respect in the Philippines is social, not transactional. When does the novelty wears off? Attention fades, expectations rise, conflicts increase, emotional withdrawal begins. When novelty expires, only genuine connection survives. Filipinas are not waiting for saviors. Filipinas are resourceful. They have options. They value stability, not worship. They do not need rescuing. The foreigner fantasy is loud online, but self respect is louder in real life. How foreigners should reframe themselves. Drop savior mentality. Build mutual respect. Understand local culture deeply. Be replaceable, not entitled. The moment you stop trying to be a prize, you finally become valuable. Foreigners are a novelty, and that's okay. But a novelty that believes it's a prize becomes disposable. Real connection doesn't come from age, money, or passports. It comes from character, consistency, and humility. Growth starts there. I'm Neld, solo parent and hardworking mom. See you next episode.